If you're trying to install Downloader, enable Install Unknown Apps, or follow a Firestick tutorial you found online and nothing is working, stop for a second. If you went to the App Store, typed in Downloader, and found absolutely nothing there, you aren't going crazy. You're not doing anything wrong. Your Firestick isn't broken, and the guide you followed probably worked for millions of people. It just doesn't work on your device. And that's incredibly frustrating when every tutorial tells you it should. Now, before we go any further, tap like if you're here, because the Downloader app seems to have vanished from the face of the earth. It helps this video reach other people stuck in the exact same situation. And if you want honest, streaming advice without the marketing nonsense, hit subscribe. Now, I need you to check one thing. Most people don't realize this, but not all Firesticks work the same anymore. Grab your remote and go to Settings, My Fire TV, About. If your device says Fire TV Stick 4K Select, then everything you're experiencing makes sense. If that's the model you've got, hit like right now. You're exactly who this video is for. This model is completely different from the normal Fire TV 4K, the 4K Max and older Firesticks that all those tutorials were made for. And that difference changes everything. If you know someone who's struggling with the same issue, do them a favour and share this video with them. It could save them hours of frustration. Most viewers arrive here for the same reasons. You tried to install Downloader, you tried to enable Install Unknown Apps, you tapped the device name 7 times to unlock developer options, you followed step-by-step guides from older videos, and then you hit a wall. Either developer options didn't show what you expected, or you search the App Store for Downloader and it just doesn't appear. Every guide says install Downloader first, but that step is impossible on this device. That's not a mistake on your end, it's the model. This is the part confusing most people. On older Firesticks, you'd open the App Store, search Downloader, and it would appear instantly. On the Fire TV Stick 4K Select, when you search Downloader, it simply isn't there. It's not hidden, it's not blocked in your region, and it's not temporarily missing. The Downloader app does not exist for this device. And the reason is simple. Downloader's entire purpose is to download APKs and install apps, and the 4K Select can't install APK apps at all. So there's no reason for Amazon to list it in the store. That's why every tutorial saying install Downloader first completely falls apart on this model. So the problem isn't that Downloader won't work. The problem is you can't even get Downloader in the first place. On the Fire TV Stick 4K Select, developer options does technically exist. The 7-tap method works. The menu appears, but when you open it, there's only one option: deep sleep. No ADB, no install permissions, no unknown apps, no sideloading controls, and no real developer tools. It looks like developer options, but it isn't the developer options you know. It's an empty shell. If you've experienced that exact moment of confusion, drop a comment below saying deep sleep only. I want to see how many of you hit the same wall. The reason this is happening is simple. The 4K Select doesn't run the same system as older Firesticks. It runs Vega OS, Amazon's new Linux-based platform. Because it's not Android-based anymore, Android sideloading doesn't exist. The The Downloader app isn't available in the App Store at all, and even if it were, it couldn't install APKs on this system. There is a deeper developer mode, but it's not for users. To unlock anything meaningful, you must create an Amazon developer account, register your device serial number, use the Vega SDK, use Linux or Mac tools, and build Vega-specific apps. This is platform developer access, not consumer control. That's why normal Firestick guides fail. I've actually done a full video breaking down exactly what Vega OS is, how it works, and what Amazon is trying to do with it. So if you want the deeper technical explanation, I'll leave a link to that video in the description below. If you just want a simple streaming stick for Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and YouTube, and you never plan to go beyond the Amazon App Store, the 4K Select will do that job just fine. But if you bought this thinking it was like the older Firesticks, where you could install Downloader, sideload apps, use VPN tools, or customize the device, then honestly, this is the wrong model for you. And I'm going to be straight with you. If freedom and control matter to you, send the 4K Select back. Don't fight with it. Don't wait for a magic update, and don't waste hours trying to follow tutorials that will never work on this device. Get the Fire TV Stick 4K Max instead. The 4K Max still runs the Android-based system, still has real developer options, still supports sideloading, and works the way Firesticks have always worked. I'll leave a link to the 4K Max in the description so you can check the exact model and pricing where you are. If this finally explains why Downloader isn't in the App Store and why developer options feel useless on your Firestick, hit like so other 4K Select owners can find this too. Now tell me in the comments, did you buy this stick for simple streaming or more advanced control? Just comment simple or control. I want to see how many people bought this device expecting something very different. For the next video, I'm going to do a step-by-step guide to choosing the right Firestick in 2026, breaking down which models still support real developer options, which ones are locked to Vega OS, and how to spot the difference before you buy, and how to avoid buying the wrong model again. If you want that buyer's guide next, comment guide and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. And please share this with anyone who's stuck trying to follow old Firestick tutorials. It could save them a lot of frustration and a wasted purchase. You didn't break your Firestick, the tutorials didn't lie, you just bought a model designed to be different. And now you know why. If you want direct help with your Firestick, access to content I can't post publicly, or priority replies, check out my channel memberships. Members get into my private chat group where I answer questions personally. Just tap join below. Make sure you subscribe for more streaming tips and device guides, give me a follow over on X and TikTok, and check out the unboxd.tech YouTube channel for more streaming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.